Okay, here is an example of how to use one of my cheat sheets. The cheat sheet's going to show you which fingers to put where to execute a particular passage or melody. So in order to use the cheat sheet in the best way possible, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this along the bottom line of the keyboard. So there it is. Folded it along the bottom line of the keyboard on the paper. And then I'm simply going to take this and I'm going to tuck it in between the piano keyboard frame and the black keys. And I'm going to line up the black keys on the paper with the black keys on the piano. So you can see 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2. I'm aligned with the piano. I've taken this paper and aligned it to the black keys on the piano. Now it doesn't matter whether it's over here or over there or here, as long as it's lined up properly with the 2, 3, 2 pattern, you can utilize this for a little bit of extra help without waiting for me. And on the paper here, I don't know if you can see it from the video, I'll have to push this back a little bit. It says left hand, C major scale. So this is a cheat sheet for left hand, C major scale. Shows me where to put my hand, my 5th finger, right there. There's 5 is there. Let me turn this on. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it shows me exactly where to put those fingers. Now, in this particular example here, we're going to cross, that's a little cross symbol with the X, and bring the 3 right there on that key, 2, 1. So I'm going to have that C major scale, left hand, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. And I can go backwards, get that 1 underneath, come back over. So that's how you use one of these cheat sheets. It's all you got to do. Fold it, line it up, your black keys, and it'll show you the numbers of which fingers to use, where to put them. That's one type of cheat sheet that I use. I use another one where I use a note sequence. Rather than finger numbers, I use a note sequence. So with this one, and the Xerox is down more towards the edge, you can still fold it a little bit along the bottom of that piano. And again, take it, tuck it in between the black keys on the frame of the piano, lining up the black keys. I'll go this way. So the black keys are lined up there. And again, it's going to show me, in this case, the number sequence. So I know I got my 1 is over here, and then the 2nd note, 3rd note, 4th note, 5th, 6th, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it just shows you that sequence of keys to play, not finger numbers. So a little bit different approach there. With this particular one, it moves your hand from this E position, E major. You're basically moving up the scale here. You're going to cross over just like you would in an E major scale with your 3 here. And it brings your hand up into this position here to cover all the notes in this particular sequence. But again, that's all you got to do. Fold this, tuck it, line it up with the black keys, and it's going to help you out.